Guys, I know I showed you these birds, but I'm going to show you a family of babies eating off the fresh food I just put out there. Look at that. It's a bunch of babies. Baby cardinals too, by the way. You just gotta sneak up on them because they get scared. But look at all of them. Isn't that cute? Isn't that something? And yes, I know I've had other videos of the birds, but to see 6 or 7 or 8 of them around there is amazing. Watch. And then they fight and chase each other off and then let him back in. Look at this poor guy over there. He's like, give me some food. That must be the black sheep of the family. Kind of like me. My son was riding an ATV a little while ago, but every time he rode around, it scared him off. So they all came back, though. Look at him. If I keep recording longer, there'll be even more that come around. Especially the father cardinals, which are the real pretty red ones. The mothers are brown and orange. Oh, there's another little guy. He came hopping up. Like, let me get some, let me get some. He's like, nope, you ain't getting nothing. Go away. Little things amuse me, people. And it's the little things in life that matter. At least to me. If I get too close, they'll fly away. Something about the phone they don't like. See, even the birds are awake than most people. Imagine that. If I stand there and look at them, they don't fly away. As soon as I hold the phone up, they'll fly away. No coincidences. For some reason they don't like black screens. Oh, I'm just eating. Normally there's her mom or someone around. And there might be one over on the fence, I don't know, but... Every morning I go out and give them clean food and clean water. And it's either them or the squirrels eating it. One or the other. Even our bees need water. I think I see more bees go on my bird water thing than I do the birds. Oh, see, now they're all getting along and eating. I hope they didn't chase that other guy away. Anyways, everyone have a happy Tuesday. Be safe. And don't forget, look up. Oh, here he came. He came back. Oh, no, that's a bigger one. That one looks a little bigger than the other ones. Maybe he's older. Or maybe it's the mom. I don't know. I can't tell at this point. That one's checking me out. Okay, guys. Anyways, happy Tuesday. And, yeah, look up once in a while. Look up in the sky. Go out in nature. I was going to do a video on the sky. Unfortunately, there's not a lot going on right now, so it'd be boring. But this is never boring to me. All right, bye, babies. Bye, guys.